Today, we are talking about the most recent revert, REBEKA KOHA, who has grabbed the attention of major media outlets and has been in the public's eye for a few days. Now, REBEKA KOHA, a Latvian weightlifter, is an athlete who is also a two-time junior world champion and European world champion. She recently took it to her Instagram, where she publicly announced her conversion to Islam. This is the summary of what she had to say about her decision. "I've made the biggest decision in my life. I can tell is that I'm sure that I did the right thing. I'm very happy and thankful about it." To her friends and followers, she quoted, "The only thing that I'm asking for is respect. If you have nothing good to say, you are free to leave and remain silent." Our sister REBEKA KOHA stated, "I took the Shahada Islamic Declaration of Faith at 3:48 p.m. and I believe that from now onwards a new and beautiful chapter of my life will begin." According to her Instagram posts trail, who the 22-year-old weightlifting standard bearer herself has now wiped. She has been engaged to Maya Ibrahim, a Qatari athlete, for 4 months. Now, although it hasn't been made public yet, it's very clear that her decision to convert to Islam was majorly backed by KOHA's relationship with Maya Ibrahim. There have been no official divulges about any details behind her conversion to Islam yet. Therefore, the best approach right now would be to wait for Miss REBEKA KOHA's official statement about this matter. Here's a snippet from the caption of her latest Instagram post. "I want to ask all of you to not post and share any pictures of me for public use where my hair, neck, arms, or legs are visible." It's vital to note here that REBEKA KOHA was coached by Edwards Andrejskovics, a former Latvian national champion, in 2019. KOHA was the second prominent international weightlifter that was recognized by Forbes. Let's take a look at some of REBEKA KOHA's most prominent achievements that earned her international fame at the 2016 Olympics. KOHA finished in 4th place in the 53-kilogram category. She won bronze medals at the Senior World Championships in both 2017 and 2018. She is a 2-time Junior World Champion and 2-time European Champion in the 58-kilogram division. After her announcement, many people took it to her latest Instagram post to talk about her decision. While a few negative comments were inevitable, there was a major plethora of positivity flowing through her comment section. Many people congratulated her and wished the best for her. There were also a lot of comments that showed massive appreciation for her decision. People were also seen shipping her relationship with Mr. Ibrahim and wished best for both of them. "We believe Sister KOHA has a bright future ahead of her, and she is a serious contender in the next year's Olympic Games well." While the next year's Olympic spots may not be awarded very soon due to the ongoing pandemic situation, her chances of competing in Tokyo are very sound from the points perspective. But it all narrows down to her decision to move forward. There has been no news about her decision of continuing a weightlifting career as of yet, but given her fiancé's athletic background, we are positive and looking forward to great things ahead. In times like these, the world needs women like Miss REBEKA. KOHA to represent Islam, it's obvious that Ms. KOHA has decided to wear a hijab and begin the new chapter of her life with core Islamic values. We believe that it would be highly inspirational for young Muslim girls to have someone like REBEKA KOHA to look up to if she continues her athletic career, someone who does not only focus on her goals and career, but also maintains a modest lifestyle. That is the dire need of Muslim women today. She concluded her announcement of conversion to Islam with the following statement: I want to thank the people who have always supported me and stayed with me no matter what. Alhamdulillah. I wish you all the best, and may God bless all of you. As more people are converting to Islam, it's also a responsibility for us Muslims to make them feel welcomed. We should not only respect them and accept them, but we must also give them enough room to find their way.